students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is objects in MS PowerPoint. We can make our presentation more informative and eye-catching by inserting pictures, shapes, smart art graphics and other objects in our slides. Now, how to insert a slide we have already discussed in our previous chapter. If you have not seen the video, go through the videos which has been already uploaded, chapter number 7. So, in this video, we will learn how we can make our presentation interactive, attractive by inserting a picture and shapes, and then we will format that picture and then we will format that shape also. So let us start and see how to do this. For that we need a blank slide. For inserting a blank slide, we need to go to Home tab and then go to New Slide. And from here, we need to select a slide. I am going to select Title and E-Content. Then we will get a blank slide like this. From here, what we will do, we will see options, small icons, that is table, chart, insert smart art graphics, pictures from file, clip art and media clip. Now for inserting picture, we can directly click on the picture and we will get the picture library and we can select the picture. Or we can go to insert tab and from here we can select the picture option and from here we can choose our desired picture. So like that, I am choosing one picture and I am inserting it. Now see, the picture has been inserted. Now for resizing it, click on the corner and drag it. Click at the corner and drag it for increasing or decreasing the size of the image. Like this we can increase or decrease the size. Or if you want to rotate, then you can click here and you can rotate like this. But I don't want to rotate, so let it be like this. Now we have inserted the picture. Now we will place it wherever we want to place according to our need. Now we will go on Format tab. We will format it. For formatting it, what we need to do? We need to go to the Format tab. We will find that. We will click on the picture and then we will click on Format tab. In that Format tab, we will get options like picture styles. From here, we are going to choose any of the style, whichever style we like. Here you can see there are many styles available. Like that, I am just selecting this one. For picture border, the border is now white color. We can change the color of the border. You can see the color of the border is being changed. So we can do it. We can also increase the thickness of the border according to our need. जैसा चाहे वैसा हम लोग उसको बना सकते हैं. I am changing the color. If you want to apply any picture effect, then we can apply the picture effect at the border. So this was the formatting, है ना? This is the formatting. If you want to crop, then we can crop also. Crop means removing the unwanted portion is known as cropping. Now we are going to insert the shape. For inserting the shape, what we need to do is we need to go to the Insert tab and we need to go to the Illustration group. In Illustration group, we need to click on Shapes and we will select our desired shape. Then our cursor will be changed in plus sign, as you can see. Then drag and draw. Drag and draw. Click, drag and draw. And leave it when it is up to your desired size. जहाँ तक आपका size होता है उसको वहाँ तक बना के छोड़ दो. Now we can change the shape, size. Click on the handle, drag it like this. I am dragging it. Now we will format it. For formatting it, again what we need to do? We need to click on the shape. Then we will see a new tab is appeared, that is format tab. From here we can select any of the color. We can choose our desired color. I'm just choosing this color. Then we can change the shape fill, whatever fill is there. We can again apply the shape outline, जैसा भी outline चाहिए, black चाहिए, blue चाहिए, red चाहिए. Or we can also change the thickness, है ना, that we already know it. Okay, so this was the formatting. There are many options like shape effect. If you want to give any effect, glowing effect or reflection, कुछ भी देना चाहो तो वो क्या होता है उसमें, जैसे I am just going to give a glow, है ना, glow, you can see a glow. So these are the formatting options for shape. Now other than picture and shape, there is one more option in the insert tab, and we have seen that was a clip art. That also we will learn how to insert. Just click on the clip art option. As we'll click, we will get a clip art task pen at the right side. Then what we will do, we will click on the search box and we will type flower and click on go. Okay, if there is nothing, then what we will do, we will erase it, blank kar do usko, and then directly click on go. Then you will get options like this, है ना. If you have internet connection, then can just directly find any of the picture. कोई भी picture इसमें से क्या करो, search कर लो और इसमें click कर लो, and then we can get the picture. It will take some time because internet connection. So I am just going to copy this picture, copy it, or you can just click directly click on insert. So the picture is being inserted here. Now again you need to change the size and change the place. Click on the corner, drag it like this and place it wherever you want to place. So this was the clip art. So this is how we have done it. Now if you want to format this also, then same thing, click on the clip art, go to the format tab and then choose the desired changes you want to apply. अगर कुछ changes है apply करो, नहीं करना है no problem, we can change the color also of the flower. So there are many options available, है ना, जैसा चाहो जो चाहो it will be changed. Just select it, 1 minute, it will be changed. Can you see how the color is being changed? So whichever color we want, we can choose the color or select that color. So these are the options, formatting options for the picture, formatting of clip art, shapes and formatting the clip art. So we have formatted our picture, shape and clip art. So basically we have done this for making our presentation interactive, interesting and eye-catching. So this was the presentation which we have made. Then we can just directly click here for the full screen view to see how our slide is looking or how we have inserted the picture or shape or clip art. So I hope my dear children, the concept of inserting picture, the shape and clip art would be clear to you all, and how to format it, that also would be clear to you all. So thank you children.